AmeriColor Heavenly 70 Soft Gel Paste Kit. This is a huge collection and it deserved to be our pick for the best food coloring kit overall. It includes every color in the AmeriColor Soft Gel Paste line, all 70 colors, and every one of them comes in a 3/4 ounce bottle. AmeriColor Gel Food Coloring hold their colors true after cooking better than any other food coloring on the market today. No one could possibly use all of these food colors up fast unless they were running a bakery. Even then, you would have a problem using them all up because it only takes a drop or two to get the rich color you're aiming for. Those facts might be a problem with most food colors, but it is not an issue with AmeriColor Gel Food Coloring. This soft gel paste doesn't get gross or harden with time. It doesn't lose its vibrant colors, and every bottle always mixes into the batter or icing smooth as silk. When we tried the AmeriColor Soft Gel Paste for ourselves, we found that we could mix endless variety of colors. Every food color we came up with held its color true from baking to cooling. Even days after the cookies were made, they were still the same color they were from the start. No other food coloring soft gel paste can offer performance like that, which makes these the best food coloring for cookies. Even when mixing these soft gel pastes into something delicate like whipped cream, the colors hold true and they don't separate. There is very nearly no flavor to any of the colors, and what there isn't off-putting. The bottles are easy squeeze bottles, making it easy to measure as you go. The only thing we can say against them at all is that when you finally do get to the bottom of the bottle, they are as hard to get those last drops out of as any other soft gel paste on the market. You're going to have some waste there. This kit is amazing. We honestly can't say enough about it. It is beyond compare the best food coloring kit. Here are some pros. Smooth consistency, vibrant colors, least amount of flavor, age well. Cons, hard to get the last drops.